Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, AXSM just filed an 8K about an FDA approval, and I am seeing a significant catalyst for the company. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. This is big news for Alzheimer's patients and a major win for Axsome Therapeutics. Alright, let's dive into what Axsome Therapeutics Incorporated announced in their latest filing. This is an 8K report, which typically signals a major event for a company. The key date here is the 30th of April 2026. This is when the company officially announced some very important news. We are talking about Axsome Therapeutics Incorporated, a company focused on healthcare and biotechnology, and they just received a significant boost. Their stock trades on the Nasdaq Global Market under the ticker symbol AXSM, and it looks like this news has already caused quite a stir. In fact, recent headlines show the stock trading up significantly on the same day. The core of this filing is under the Other Events section. This is where the company describes what happened. And what happened is huge. The US Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, has approved a drug called AUVELITY for the treatment of agitation connected to dementia caused by Alzheimer's disease. This is a major breakthrough for patients and their families, and a massive commercial opportunity for Axsome. Alzheimer's affects millions, and agitation is a very common and distressing symptom. Having an approved treatment for this specific issue is a game changer. The company has also attached the full press release detailing this announcement. This approval is not just a regulatory win, it is a commercial one too. Given the market for Alzheimer's treatments, this could lead to substantial revenue growth for Axsome. Looking at the context, Axsome Therapeutics has a market cap of over $10 billion and employs nearly 1,000 people. This approval puts them in a strong position within the biotechnology sector. Major institutional investors like Vanguard and BlackRock already hold significant stakes, suggesting they see the long-term potential. Beyond the announcement itself, the filing details the exhibits included. The most important exhibit here is Exhibit 99.1, which is the press release. This is the official announcement of the FDA's approval. Then there is Exhibit 104, which is the cover page interactive data file. This is standard for SEC filings and helps with data analysis. The report is signed by Harriet Tabuteau Maryland, who is the President and Chief Executive Officer of Axsome Therapeutics. His signature signifies the company's official acknowledgement and validation of this information. So, what does this approval mean for Axsome Therapeutics Incorporated from a business perspective? This is a critical step. The market for Alzheimer's treatments is enormous and still growing. Getting FDA approval for a drug that addresses a significant unmet need like agitation in dementia due to Alzheimer's disease is a major catalyst. This can translate into significant sales very quickly. We are already seeing headlines pointing to a strong positive reaction in the stock. Looking back, companies in the pharmaceutical sector that achieve significant FDA approvals, especially for major conditions like Alzheimer's, often see sustained stock price appreciation. Think about other major drug approvals in recent years. When a drug addresses a widespread ailment with few effective treatments, the demand can be immense. This is exactly what we seem to have here with AUVELITY. The company's strategy now will likely focus on aggressive marketing and commercialization to capture as much of this market as possible, as investors. We'll want to watch their sales figures and revenue growth in the coming quarters very closely to see if they can translate this regulatory success into financial success. The risk factors for a company like this always involve the competitive landscape and potential side effects or further regulatory scrutiny. However, with a drug already approved, the biggest hurdle has been cleared. The focus shifts now to execution and market penetration. What I am actually looking for is the commercial uptake and how quickly AUVELITY can become a leading treatment option. The long-term success will hinge on Axsome's ability to manage manufacturing, distribution, and patient access effectively. This approval is a fantastic achievement and sets the stage for significant growth. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description.